Welcome to my YouTube channel Everlasting Info. Here I am Akhtar Ali. Viewers, today we are going to know about famous straits of the world. If we define strait is a narrow natural waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. पानी की एक पतली सी गुजरगाह जो दो समंदरों को मिलाए उसे स्ट्रेट कहा जाता है. Here we see two larger bodies are there. One is here, another is here. Both two larger bodies are connected or joined by a small channel of water body is known as strait. Let's talk about famous straits. The first one is Strait of Malacca. Strait of Malacca joins Andaman Sea and South China Sea. We see here is the Andaman Sea and other side is South China Sea. So South China Sea and Andaman Sea are joined or connected by Strait of Malacca. Andaman Sea lies in Indian Ocean. On the other side, South China Sea lies in Pacific Ocean. So it also connects Indian Ocean with Pacific Ocean. So on the land side, Strait of Malacca separates Indonesia and Malaysia, Indonesian Sumatra Island and Malaysia. So it's Strait of Malacca is one of world's busiest shipping routes. Another strait is Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz joins Gulf of Persia and Gulf of Oman. Here we see is Persian Gulf and other side is Gulf of Oman. So both Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman are joined by Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is here a small channel of water body that joins Gulf of Oman and Persian Gulf. It also separates Oman and Iran. Oman is here, Iran is on the other side. So Iran and Oman are separated by Strait of Hormuz. It's very strategically important and it controls oil trade from the Gulf countries. Another strait is Bab el-Mandeb Strait. Bab el-Mandeb Strait joins Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Here we see is Red Sea and other side is Gulf of Aden. So Gulf of Aden and Red Sea are joined by a small strait known as Bab el-Mandeb. Bab el-Mandeb is also called Gate of Tears. So it's a small narrow channel that connects Gulf of Aden and Red Sea. And it's a vital trade route between the Mediterranean Sea and Asia. Another strait is Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar joins Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Here we see Mediterranean Sea is here, on other side is Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Oceans and Mediterranean Sea are joined by a small strait known as Strait of Gibraltar. And also it is called, it separates Europe from Africa. In Africa, the country is Morocco. In Europe there is Spain. So Spain and Morocco are separated by Strait of Gibraltar. Another strait is Strait of Dover. Dover Strait joins North Sea and English Channel. Here is in North Sea and downward is English Channel. So English Channel and North Sea are joined by Strait of Dover. On the land side, it separates France and UK. Here is France and other side is England. So England and France are separated by a small channel of water body that is known as Strait of Dover. Another strait is Strait of Davis. Strait of Davis joins or connects Baffin Bay and Labrador Sea. So Labrador Sea and Baffin Bay are joined by a small strait known as Davis Straits. On the land side, it separates Greenland and Canada. Here is a Greenland, it's a Greenland and other is islands of Canada. So Greenland and Canada are separated by a small strait known as Davis Strait. Other strait is Denmark Strait. So Denmark Strait joins Greenland and Iceland, Greenland Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Greenland Sea is here and southward is the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Oceans and Greenland Sea are joined by a small strait that is known as Denmark Strait. And it separates Greenland and Iceland. Here we see is a Greenland and other side is Iceland. So Iceland and Greenland are separated by some strait known as Denmark Strait. Another strait is Strait of Bosporus. Strait of Bosporus joins Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. Here is a sea, Black Sea, and other side is Sea of Marmara. Between them is a small strait known as Strait of Bosphorus. On the land side, it separates Turkey Asia and Turkey Europe. Here is a whole Turkey, but one side is Turkey in Europe, another side is in Asia. So both are separated by a small strait known as Strait of Bosporus. Another strait is Strait of Dardanelles. Strait of Dardanelles joins Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Here we see this is Dardanelles and Sea of Marmara, and other side is Aegean Sea. So Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea are joined by small strait known as Dardanelles. It also separates Asian Turkey and European Turkey. Another strait is Polk Strait. It joins Bay of Bengal with Gulf of Mannar. Here we see here is a Bay of Bengal and southward is Gulf of Mannar. So both are joined by a small strait known as Polk Strait. And on the land side, it separates India and Sri Lanka. Here is the island of Sri Lanka, other side is India. So both are separated by a small strait known as Polk Strait. Another important strait is Sunda Strait. It joins Java Sea and Indian Ocean. Here we see is a small strait, and the north is Java Sea and south is Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean and Java Sea are connected or joined by a Sunda Strait. On the land side, it separates Sumatra and Java Island. Here is Java Island, in the north is Sumatra Island. So both are the islands of Indonesia and are separated by a small strait known as Sunda Strait. Another strait is Cook Strait. Cook Strait joins Tasman Sea and South Pacific Ocean. Here is a Tasman Sea, in the south is South Pacific Ocean. So both are joined by a Cook Strait. On the land side, it separates North and South Island of New Zealand. Here are two islands of New Zealand. Both are separated by a small strait known as Cook Strait. Another important, very important strait is Bering Strait. Bering Strait joins Bering Sea and Chukchi Sea. In north we see in Arctic Ocean Chukchi Sea. It is joined by a Bering Sea with a small strait known as Bering Strait. On the land side, it separates Russia and Alaska, USA. Alaska is in USA. On the other side is Russia, Siberian area. So it also separates Asia and America. Another strait is Magellan Strait. Magellan Strait in South America. There it joins Pacific and South Atlantic Ocean. Here is the Atlantic Ocean, on the other side is Pacific Ocean. Both are joined by a small strait known as Magellan Strait. Magellan Ferdinand was discovered the Strait of Magellan during his voyage around the world, and it separates Chile and other islands of the Argentina and Chile. Another strait is Bass Strait. It joins Tasman Sea and South Sea. Here we see this is Bass Strait. It joins Tasman Sea and Indian Ocean. Both are joined by a small strait known as Bass Strait. It separates Tasmania from the Australian mainland. Here is the Australian mainland, Victoria, and in south of the mainland is Tasmania. So Tasmania and mainland of Australia are separated by Bass Strait. Another strait is Strait of Florida. Strait of Florida joins Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean. Here we see it's a Strait of Florida, and other side is Atlantic Ocean, and here is the Gulf of Mexico. So both are joined by a small strait of water body known as Strait of Florida, and it separates USA and Cuba. Here is the USA. Florida is a part state of USA, and other side is Cuba. So both are separated by a small strait of Florida. And other strait is Yucatan Strait. Yucatan Strait joins Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. Here is the Yucatan Channel or Yucatan Strait, that joins Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. Both are joined by small strait known as Yucatan Channel, and it separates Mexico and Cuba. Here is Mexico and other side is Cuba. So both are separated by a small channel known as Yucatan Channel. Another important strait is Hudson Strait. It connects Hudson Bay with Labrador Sea. Here is a Labrador Sea and other side is Hudson Bay. Both are joined by a small strait known as Hudson Strait. It separates Baffin Island and Quebec. Here is a Baffin Island of Canada and other is Quebec. So both are separated by a Hudson Strait. Another strait is Strait of Otranto. Strait of Otranto joins Adriatic Sea with Ionian Sea. Here we see it's a Adriatic Sea and south of Italy is Ionian Sea. So both are joined by a small channel that is known as Strait of Otranto. On the land side it separates Albania and Italy. Here is Italy and other side is Albania. So both are separated by Strait of Otranto. Another important strait is Strait of Messina. Strait of Messina connects Tyrrhenian Sea and Ionian Sea. Ionian Sea is in the south of the Italy and northwest of the Tyrrhenian Sea. So both are joined by a Strait of Messina. On the land side, it separates Sicily and mainland Italy. Here is the Sicily island of Italy and mainland Italy. Both are separated by a small strait known as Messina. Strait of Messina. Another strait is Taiwan Strait or Formosa Strait. It connects East China Sea. Here is the East China Sea with South China Sea. So East China Sea and South China Sea are connected by a small channel known as Taiwan Strait. Taiwan Strait. It separates Taiwan from mainland China. Here is the Taiwan island, other side is China mainland. So both are separated by Taiwan Strait or Formosa Strait. Another is Strait of Tartary. Strait of Tartary connects Sea of Okhotsk. Here you see Sea of Okhotsk and south of it Sea of Japan. So Sea of Japan and Sea of Okhotsk are joined by Strait of Tartar or Strait of Tartary. It separates Sakhalin Island from mainland Russia. Here you see Sakhalin Island of Russia and mainland Russia. Both are separated by Strait of Tartary. Here you see a large map of world where you can see the straits, famous strait. Here was Polk Strait, here is the Malacca Strait, Hormuz Strait, Strait of Bab el-Mandeb, Strait of Gibraltar, Bosphorus Strait, Strait of Dardanelles, and Bering Strait, Magellan Strait. These are the some of famous straits. So now talk about interesting facts about straits of the world. The longest strait is Strait of Malacca, which separates Malay Peninsula from Sumatra Island. If we know about widest strait is Denmark Strait, and narrowest strait is Bosphorus Strait, and shallowest strait is Sunda Strait, and strait that separates Asia from America is a Bering Strait. Strait that separates Australia from Tasmania is Bass Strait. A strait that separates Europe from Africa is Gibraltar Strait. A strait that separates Asia from Africa is Strait of Bab el-Mandeb. That's it.